Are you worried that AI will replace you as a creative? Or you've been intrigued and interested by the world of AI, but as soon as you start looking into it, it feels quite overwhelming as you don't really know where and how to start? These are some of the reasons why I really wanted to create this class. This class is not going to be a learn from me, but more a learn with me, as I'm still learning and navigating this ever-changing world of AI, and I am by no means an AI expert. So I just wanted to take you along and show you what I've learned so far and what are some of the things that you can achieve with AI. These are some of the images that you'll be able to generate by the end of this class. Hi, my name is Beatrice Menis. I'm a branding and packaging designer. In today's class, we'll touch on different AI tools and how they can be used at different stages of the design process. We will of course keep a focus on packaging design and product photography scenes. So these are some of the cases where I've used AI so far. For example, at the very beginning of a new project proposal, if I'm working on design proposals and I want to help the client envision this brand role we're creating for their product, that's one way I've been using supporting images using AI. Or at the very end of the project, a lot of the times you finish a project and either you or the client might not have the time or the budget to hire a photographer and have a proper photo shoot. So I've been working with AI in combination with Photoshop to create my own photography scenes. And last but not least, creating supporting images just for social media. It just helped and took a lot of pressure off showing up constantly, and it's made my life so much easier. This class is perfect for designers at any level with a basic knowledge of Photoshop and Illustrator, designers who are curious about new technologies and tools for their workflow, and for those who want to level up and experiment with their image creation. So let's get into it and start learning together.